Hope somebody just walks in, or somebody's just watching me through the window on their scope. They're 8 times. They're aiming on my head, and then they just see me doing this.
Hey, we got people coming up on us. He just ran by this window. He's heading towards the other one.
Shoot his ass. Right here, right here. Shit.
Out the
nope,
window?
he can see you there. He can see you. Yep. I'm watching this right side of the building.
Yep. He's coming my side. Or he was. Is he inside?
He's outside.
Oh,
Good.
yeah. I shot him too.
That's the way across the ridge.
Oh,
Yep,
got
I
somebody
see
on us.
them.
Hey, on us, right now.
Damn! Somebody shot me.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
surrounded.
to your left. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, behind the rock. He's coming up on your right. Yep, alright, behind the rock now. Or on the rock. Now he's running by me. He's on this tree right next to me. Put a couple shots. He's rushing to your left.
Damn it! I downed his friend.
Man. Were you trying to kill me with that grenade?
Yeah, you were dead. I mean, that was just kind of...
Hey, you jumping? Where you at? You jumping?
Yeah, I jumped.
You already jumped.
I jumped too soon, if anything.
You jumping?
Van Halen's jump? Go ahead and jump.
Jump! Is it just me, or does Luigi's Mansion look like a ding dong?
Luigi's ding dong.
Jump!
I don't understand how you got that.
Jump. Guns!
Guns!
Go ahead and get guns.
Hey!
Sorry to hear about your AIDS. What was the Van Halen lead singer's name?
Van
That's
Halen.
right. That's right, Van Halen. Lead singer of Van Halen. Van Halen. We're all Van Halen here.
Van Hagar, I think.
That was Van Morrison. A lot of Vans back in that era.
And there's Ludwig van Beethoven.
Ludwig Van Halen. It's SLR and it's to the north.
North! Go ahead and north.
How does one north?
Google it. Hey Siri. Okay, how does one person, individual, north?
Here's what I found on the web for how does one person individual. Have a look.
Thanks.
Wow.
I like that it repeated back that complete fucking nonsense that you said.
What does Luigi's ding dong look like?
You're gonna get a Google image search.
Luigi is a fictional character featured in video games and related media released by Nintendo. Would you like to
Yes,
hear more?
but his ding
Yes,
dong.
what does his ding dong look like?
Luigi is a fictional character featured in video games and
It's
related
really
media
trying to.
released
It's really trying to like subtly let you down that it's a fictional character and they never drew his ding dong. Look, kid, I don't know what you're not getting. He's not real.
I don't have this.
This information is not available.
Jeez.
Get in.
Yeah,
Oh, we're
getting shot
dead.
at.
We're dead. We're so
You're
dead.
dead.
This is the
They're taking
funniest
shots.
fucking
They're
thing.
taking shots now. We're okay. I'm gonna heal first. I'm gonna heal first. Try not to hit me this time. Alright, yep. Alright,
Get-
go, go!
Get in.
Okay.
The funniest
now
part of
drink.
that was the thud noise. Let me check these out.
Sure. This thing does sound pretty badass. Sounds like my ex-wife.
What's wrong with her?
This is so much.
Her horrible grumbling.
And that was how she sounded when she orgasmed.
Oh my god.
I'll never hear it again.
Wow. Dolores? Alright, well, I missed the damn... Why do I suck? Good question, Jacob.
Huh.
Just load this shotgun 30 times, it's fun. Did you ever see that one guy that landed near us?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
Right up in this bitch.
See him?
No,
Is
I'm
he up
just,
there with you?
he's down. He's down.
Shit! Thanks.
That's a different guy, by the way, just so we're clear.
Yeah.
This is not the guy I've been fighting.
Alright, let's find this other guy. Where you at, bitch?
Maybe they jumped out the window.
Doubt it. Maybe. No! He didn't. He's right here. Help! Like I literally started switching guns right as I saw him. He's like,
Get out of my way.
healing.
Would you get out of my fucking way?
Will you get out of my way?